Here are the benefits of using Prornite liquid detergent. Prornite liquid detergents are easy to use. When it comes to any detergent, you need to use a certain amount into a designated area of your washing machine. Please read the user manual for directions on where to pour your detergent. Using Prornite liquid detergent makes the task of pouring out a fixed amount a lot easier when compared to using a spoon or two of detergent powder. What makes liquid detergents even more convenient is they do not come in large boxes like powder detergents, which are difficult and heavy to carry around. Simple easy carry bottle is all you need, and most of them include a measuring cup as well. This makes measuring and pouring specific amounts much easier and more exact. Prornite liquid detergents dissolve quickly. When you use a liquid detergent, you can be sure that it will dissolve in the water quickly. Moss Madeling Machina, Moss Magaling. What's more, liquid detergents don't leave unwanted white soap residue on your clothes after the wash is complete. It is also a lot easier to scrub your clothes using a liquid detergent than using soap. Prornite liquid detergents conserve water. Using a liquid detergent certainly helps you save on the amount of soap you use, because you use less liquid detergent when compared to powder or bars. Equally important, it also enables you to save water. Soap and powders require a lot more water to dissolve them when compared to liquids. As this detergent is already in a liquid state, dissolving in water is not an issue. Ultimately, this allows you to use less water as well for tipped points. On an eco-conscious note, saving water is always a good idea, especially as water is seen as an increasingly scarce and valuable resource in the future. Prornite liquid detergent help treat stains. You need to pre-treat stains and do not have a stain removal solution handy, you can simply use liquid detergent. Quickly cleans most kinds of stains thoroughly. Just pour 3 to 4 drops of Prornite liquid detergent directly on the stain and rub in gently. Then wash with plain water. Afterwards, the stain should be gone. You'll find that liquid detergent is an all-in-one in even more ways. Delete. May repeat once again if needed. Prornite liquid detergent is great for delicate fabrics. Liquid detergent can be used effectively for your regular wear garments, but it also works well for expensive occasional wear garments. These are your more special Mamahallen items. Some garments like silk or wool need special care while washing, and liquid detergents available on the market for these kinds of fabrics. Prornite liquid detergent is ideal for your washing machine. Most washing machines already include a special soap dispenser for liquid detergents as well. This is probably due to the fact that liquid detergents are the better and proven choice for washing machines. If you prefer to wash your clothes in a washing machine, you can use Prornite liquid detergent Cherry Blossom, which is specially formulated for washing machines and is easily available in the market. It also helps lengthen your washing machine's life. Need a bottle of All with Stain Lifters OXI liquid laundry detergent and say yes to fun family stains. Messy fun means making mud pies and taking day trips. Chasing creepy crawlers and chomping chocolate white goodness. All that is all good because All with Stain Lifters OXI liquid laundry detergent has great stain fighting to handle messes for all ages. It's formulated with active stain lifters and in-wash pre-treaters asterisk formulated with enzymes for a great clean, to fight your family's toughest stains. All OXI liquid laundry detergents 4-in-1 cleaning power fights 100% of stain types asterisk bleachable, oily/waxy, enzymatic, particulate, whitens, brightens, and leaves your clothes smelling clean with a fresh scent. It's safe to use and high efficiency. washing machine, and it cleans effectively in cold water. A laundry detergent is great for all types of clothes, including activewear. The 4-in-1 cleaning power of all Stain Lifters laundry detergent liquid, you don't have to think twice about jumping in that puddle or slurping that spaghetti. These washing detergents were made for putting life before laundry. So, toss an armload of whatever in the washer. All good. This package includes one 141-ounce bottle of all with Stain Lifters OXI liquid laundry detergent, enough for 79 loads of laundry. All with Stain Lifters OXI liquid laundry detergent with the power of 4-in-1 benefits. This laundry stain remover fights tough stains, whitens, brightens, and leaves your clothes smelling clean with a fresh scent. Fights 100% of stain types asterisk, bleachable, oily/waxy, enzymatic, particulate. On kid stains like mud, grass, and chocolate.